Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A6 and Archer BE900 routers. Let's delve into 4 key specifications to help you make an informed decision. Wireless. The Archer A6 supports Wi-Fi 5 standards, delivering at 1200 speeds suitable for medium-sized homes. On the other hand, the Archer BE900 introduces cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, offering blazing fast speeds of up to 11,520 MOMs. With its quad-band capability and 12 optimally positioned antennas, the BE900 ensures unparalleled coverage and capacity, accommodating up to 100 devices simultaneously. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall, access control, and VPN server support. However, the Archer BE900 goes the extra mile with Home Shield security, providing real-time IoT protection, intrusion prevention, and DDoS attack prevention. With advanced security features, the BE900 offers robust protection for your connected devices and home network. Hardware. While the Archer A6 features a dual-core CPU and standard Ethernet ports, the Archer BE900 boasts high-performance hardware including a 10GB SWAN port and 10GB CSI. With innovative features like a touchscreen interface and LED screen, the BE900 offers intuitive control and monitoring options for users. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like EP4 and EP6, with management options available through the Tether app and web interface. However, the Archer BE900's advanced software features include easy mesh compatibility, Alexa and Google Assistant integration, and IoT network support, with USB 3.0 and 2.0 support and Home Shield parental controls. The BE900 offers a feature-rich experience for modern home networks. In conclusion, while the Archer A6 provides reliable performance for standard home networking, the Archer BE900 offers cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security features, robust hardware, and enhanced software capabilities. With its superior performance and comprehensive features, the BE900 emerges as the ultimate choice for elevating your home network to new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next router showdown.